Hi, my name is Katie, and today I'm here with Megan, one of our schedulers, and she is going to play Rolling Stones or Natural Stones, the classic game where you will be deciding if the facts are related to the Rolling Stones or to natural stones. Megan, are you ready?
I think so.
All right. We are going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Has a famous tongue logo.
Rolling Stones.
Has natural slabs that are one of a kind.
Natural Stones.
Formed in 1962.
Rolling Stones.
Often requires seam placement.
Natural Stone.
Includes Mick Jagger.
Rolling Stone.
Available with a leathered finish.
Natural Stone.
But I've been told that some people argue that also that applies to Mick Jagger. Has toured 6 continents.
Rolling Stone?
Yes, you've got it. Features natural veining.
Oh, Natural Stone.
There we go. Won multiple Grammy Awards.
Oh, Rolling Stone.
Requires digital templating before fabrication.
Natural Stone.
Includes Keith Richards.
Rolling Stone.
May include a waterfall edge.
Natural Stone.
Inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Rolling Stone.
Originates from quarries around the world.
Natural Stone.
Yes, Megan, you've done it. You've won. You've won Rolling Stones or Natural Stones. Thank you. This has been another rousing game of Rolling Stones or Natural Stones.